Hey there, my friends. Coach KIRKSHINTA here. Thank you for hopping on. In this video today, I am going to share how I use the Power Lead system to grow my $25 one up business. If you don't know what the Power Lead system is, it is a marketing toolbox. And what it allows you to do is have access to all the tools you need to be able to market, to be able to do things like collect leads, follow up with those leads, and convert those leads, okay? And on top of that, while you're building your business, you can also make commissions from the Power Lead system. So that's what I like about the Power Lead system, is that it positions you to make commissions as you already grow your other business. Okay. What I'm doing with $25 one up, one thing that has always helped me in my $25 one up business is to be able to communicate with my list. Okay. So hopefully you have a system that's helping you to collect leads, you know, and here's the thing about having a system versus using the standalone system that comes with whatever marketing program you're with. Typically, like for example, $25 one up has the ability to email your list from within the system, but you can only send one email every 7 days. So I like to stay in contact with my list a little bit more frequent than that. So therefore, you need to have your own system. Power Lead system is what I use. Okay. Now, that said, one of the things that a Power Lead system allows you to do is to brand yourself. And what do I mean by that? Okay. One of the things that I'll do is, as I learn something, whether it be from my back office, rather it be you know, I have a result. I kind of follow Rob Frazier's. I'll give him credit for that, because he was one of the first people, like 2 years ago, I heard this say, when he said, my neighbors are being ratchet, y'all. Rob Frazier said results, progress, updates. Results, progress, updates. And always, you know, come from that frame when talking about your program. Make sure you're always giving results, progress, and updates, right? So that said, I normally will turn around and make a video for people about my program using that model, results, progress, updates, okay? So what I did today was I made a video about how I made over $18,000 with $25 one up, and I uploaded that to YouTube. Now what I'm going to do is use my marketing system, the Power Lead system, and I'm going to take that video, slap it into a bridge page, and email that to my list. What that will do is they will not only see my video, but there'll be a button underneath which will link them directly to my $25 one up program, and they can join if they want to get started. That's how I not only keep my list informed, but keep getting them back to that sales page to get started when and if they're ready. And the more you can answer questions, objections, you know, lead people to information, show people proof and testimonials from, you know, not just yourself, but your team, your company. When people are ready, they'll get started. All right. So let me show you how I'm going to do that in the Power Lead system, which again is a marketing system. And again, it has amazing training as well that you get. You get endless free leads, which show you how to get endless free leads, and all these other things. And you can get started with this. There's 7-day free trial, so you could definitely take the free trial. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on websites. I'm going to click on copy web pages, and there's pages already set up in the system. I don't have to like go and try to, you know, do a million things. I've learned to keep my marketing simple. All right, so I'm in the back office, and what I'm going to do is scroll down. I have a lot of pages because I've been with this system for a long time, okay? So I'm going to scroll all the way down to where it says, hold on. Okay. To where it says Power Lead system. Actually, I don't want capture pages. I want sales pages. Okay, here we go. Bypass. Why can't I scroll? Bypass lead capture pages. And let's scroll down a little. Okay, so actually it's under web pages you created, and you just install that with a quick share code. Powerly System has their own website for share codes, and they actually have share codes in the back office. And there's a popular share code. It's called Jeff's Bridge Page, and he's already put that together. You just kind of click a button and install that, and then you have access to it. So all I'm going to do is copy that page and scroll all the way down. I'm going to click on Make Me a Copy. Okay, and then all I want to do is name it. So I'm just going to call this 18. I want to name it something so that like I know what it is. $18,000 power 25 1-up update. Okay. And then you just want to name your page. So let's do that. Okay. Then I named that. And I'm going to scroll down. And this is a bridge page, not a capture page. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a subdomain. And I'm going to call it update. Okay, and then I don't need, well, I'll just leave that alone. Oops. Okay, scroll down. I don't need to bother with any of this. Okay, so I'm going to hit Save Changes. All right, it's going to ask me if I want to change the background or anything like that. I don't want to do that, but I do want to go ahead and hit Edit Text and go ahead and edit the text. And what I'm going to do, my computer is slow, so don't judge me, y'all. Alright, I'm going to scroll down. It's going to say watch this video. I'm going to go ahead and add some text above that. So let me add something like, let's say how, no, I don't want that to be there like that. Hold on. Right here. Okay. How I made over 18 with this system. Okay. And then I'm just going to bold that. Let's change the size. Okay, perfect. That works. And then all I have to do is click on iframe. And I have to go to my video. And all you want is this little code that's behind it, which is this FY, whatever that is. I want that little code, but it's going to copy the whole thing. But that's okay. I'll get rid of it. Go back over here, and you're going to, you only want whatever is before the question mark. Okay. So I'm going to paste that there. It's going to, of course, paste the whole thing, but I'm going to get rid of that. Boom. Delete that. Make sure that there's not two marks. Okay, there we go. Hit OK. And then the only other thing I need to change is the button of where I want it to go. So I want this to go to my $25 1-up sales page. So give me a second. I'm going to copy that. Okay, I have my 25. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and change my link to HTTP, and I'm gonna paste my link there. Let me just make sure it looks right. Looks good to me. Okay, I'm gonna hit OK. Alright, and then I'm gonna hit OK again at the bottom. Hit the little green button, save changes, and continue to the next step. Alright, let's view our web page. Awesome. So now this is updated. This is an actual video that I made. It says watch this video. So literally I can type up, oh let me, y'all can't even see me, hold on. Got excited there for a minute. I can type up an email to my list, and I can say, hey, want to know how I, made this with this system, watch this quick video. Because I could literally send an email that brief, and then send it to them. And when they click on it, they're going to see my video, which again, the more you can put videos in front of people that answer questions, the less objections people have and the closer you move to sales in your business. So if you're afraid of making videos, get unscared, my friend. This is the year to undo it. And then when they click on this button that says click here to continue, it's taking a minute. Okay, it leads them to my funnel. Okay, so it's going to lead them to my sales page, which was created in Power Lead System. And there's another video, but this video is of course testimonials, and then it allows them to get their system. All right, so that's it. All right, bridge page, slap a video of you, of course, if you're answering, results, progress, updates, what's going on with your system, what you're learning, right? Everything is not about money, right? Answer questions. If in your back office there's a frequently asked question section, make one video on every single frequently asked question back there. Send that to your list. Keep answering questions and leading them back to the sales page. All right, my friends, I hope this was of value. Drop a comment below if it was. Drop a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Oh, check out the comment section underneath this video. Bye.